Parts for Trucks has helped me get started in the apprenticeship program. It got me all set up to be able to do my Block 1. I was not previously enrolled in any kind of secondary education or post-secondary education before I came here. When I went to school, it was a lot easier because of the training that Parts for Trucks helped me with, and it was kind of like I had a leg up because the program's more centered towards doing the work in the field and then coming in and learning, and not hands-on, just through the books and things.
One thing we've identified with our students going to school and going through the blocks that work for us is we as employers put too much on the school as far as time and training goes, believing that when the students come out they're going to learn everything they need through that block.
It was really nice because I was able to do online training as well as work in the shop and be able to tie those things together before I went to school, because it's two completely different types of learning, and I felt like I was able to experience both at once instead of breaking them up and then trying to fit it all together afterwards and be able to write a test about it. Something I really appreciated about Parts for Trucks is that when working on the floor, there's always lots of people that you can go ask for help. I don't think there's anybody out there that I couldn't talk to if I had a problem, and they help you and completely expect you or want you to succeed and give you the information and tools you need to do that. So that's something that I really appreciate about working here.
We've launched our training academy at Parts for Trucks through Find Your Drive because we're trying to bring new people into the industry and work with the existing ones we have. One of the things we've realized is us as employers, to do a better job with our students that go to school, is we need to put more emphasis on the training for them. We rely too much on the school to do the training while they're there, and it's hard to give them everything they need in that 6-week period. So that's where we're trying to step up with the program we've got in place. We've got some theory and hands-on that's meant to line up with the blocks they're doing.
If you want to learn more about the Parts for Trucks Training Academy, visit us online at partsfortrucks.com.